Okay, so good morning, guys. Today I'm probably gonna work on some more business stuff this morning, and then later on, I think I'm gonna go bowling tonight. So it should be a kind of interesting day. So I'm currently working on a ring for 3D printing technology. It's coming along pretty good. So I got a few more things to go take care of before I get done here at 3D Tech. Okay, so I just finished with 3D printing technology stuff. So now I'm gonna get something to eat, and then afterwards I may try to skateboard again today. So I forgot to film me getting something to eat, but I made it back. Now I'm gonna try to practice my skateboarding. Got my skateboard and pennyboard. I'm gonna try to do a flip. Okay, that's all I'm gonna try for today. I'm seeing some progress, but it's still taking a while. Okay, so I'm getting something quick to eat at Chick-fil-A before I go bowling tonight. I made it to the bowling alley, so I'm about to go in and get some strikes.
Okay, when you're going out to the left, you gotta look at the
Okay, so I just finished bowling. There isn't really a good setup for me to place my camera so I can get a good shot of me, but I think I got a few clips. Now I'm gonna make my way back home and start editing some videos. Okay, so I made it back home. I'll end the vlog here for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider it videos first, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.